At SEI Construction Inc., we don't just remodel homes. We help New Jersey families reimagine the spaces they live in every day. Whether you're in Westfield, Scotch Plains, Cranford, or Summit, your dream renovation starts here. For nearly 40 years, we've been Union County's trusted remodeling and renovation experts, delivering high-quality craftsmanship, tailored design-build services, and a seamless experience from concept to completion. From kitchen remodeling and bathroom renovations to basement finishing and full-scale home additions, our licensed and insured team handles it all, under one roof. We coordinate every detail, so you can enjoy the transformation without the stress. We bring together expert interior designers, carpenters, and tradespeople to create functional, beautiful spaces, built around your goals and lifestyle. Serving homeowners throughout Union County and surrounding areas, we've earned our reputation for honesty, precision, and lasting results, one project at a time. Ready to remodel your New Jersey home? Call us for a free, no-obligation project consultation and discover the difference we can make.